Behold, the magnificent couch kingdom, and its sovereign ruler, the wise, the brave, the incredibly fluffy King Leo.
Behold, the magnificent couch kingdom, and its sovereign ruler, the wise, the brave, the incredibly fluffy King Leo.
Permf, a regal, contented sound. Meow. Translation, all is well in my domain. From his cushioned throne, King Leo watched over his vast lands of plush and plenty.
But hark! What dark shadows creep towards the royal borders? Could it be invaders?
Growl? A low, suspicious rumble.
Indeed, the dreaded Slipper Legion, advancing with nefarious intent.
The first slipper dared to scale the sacred slopes of the royal armrest.
Mirar! A surprisingly fierce, high-pitched battle cry. Hiss!
King Leo, defender of the realm, met the challenge head-on.
With a flick of his royal paw, the invader was repelled.
Unhand my kingdom! Or a simple,
But the Slipper Legion was relentless. Another foe dared to advance.
Puff's chest, crown even more askew, lets out a confident chuff. Ha! Mrow! Swats the second slipper down.